Knight Global is changing the hoist industry with their new safety drop-stop technology. Watch the following drop test to see how it works. When the traditional servo hoist fails, a conventional drop stop prevents the load from falling to the ground, but the weight drops further compared to Knight's safety drop stop hoists. This can increase the likelihood of potential injuries to operating personnel. In addition, the conventional drop stop causes extreme swinging, and the entire unit is now unusable until the hoist can be repaired. As demonstrated, the SDS units are still operable. It is advisable to replace both chains soon. For more information on Knight's new products and technology, contact us by phone, email, or visit our website at knightglobal.com.